we are going to do is that we are going to actually create a hyperlink. So meaning that a hyperlink means that if you click on this link, it will take you somewhere. It will take you somewhere. So within the view, okay, you will notice in this example there is the add sign HTML dot something. Now this HTML dot something, this is called a HTML helper. Okay, now HTML helper, what does it do? It actually duplicates or replicates a normal HTML function. However, you can use this HTML helper, it can link to C#. So a normal HTML function may be restricted in what you can do. But here, you can do the same plus something more. So we use HTML helper. Okay, now, what we are going to do is that we are going to actually create a hyperlink on the index page, and once you click the hyperlink, it will execute. Okay, now the hyperlink will show RSVP now, what is displayed, and once you click this, it will execute another method in the controller, which is RSVP form, the second one. So the second method we have not created yet. Okay, let us create this link first. Okay, so now this actually here. Okay, now let's go to the okay, let's go to the index. Okay, so we type add, so that is the alias. Okay, now you type HTML. Okay, HTML dot. Okay, now you will notice when you type dot, there are many things here listed for you. All these are methods. All these are methods for you to manipulate your HTML files. Okay, so you see there are lots of methods here. Okay, but what we are concerned for now, we want the action link. Okay, so action link, what does it do? It returns an anchor element, okay, for the specified link, text and action. Okay, now I'm going to choose this action link. Okay, I put in the parenthesis or the bracket. Okay, now there are several parameters that you can do because there's lots of 9 overloadings, many things. Okay, but we are focusing on the most important thing at this point in time. Okay. First is, the first argument here is the text that you want to display on the page itself. The text. So this is the text. So the text is RSVP. Now this is the text. Okay. The second element that we are going to actually put this is actually a name of a method. You will jump to a page, but in MVC you don't jump to a page. You execute a method. You execute a method. You don't jump to a page, you execute a method. So here we want to execute this method RSVP okay, RSVP form. Where is this method? We have not written this method yet. Okay, the first one is the text display. This is the method. Okay, now once you have done this, okay, let us run the index again, just to show what happens. Okay, now okay, you will notice, see, RSVP now. So this is the first argument, the text. Okay, now when I hover over this, you will notice there is one URL, http, okay, now /home, home is the controller, /RSVP form. So meaning that if you click this, it will go look for a method named RSVP form within the home controller. So if I am to actually click this now, it will give an error message. What error message? The resource cannot be found. Why you cannot find it? Because you have not created the method yet. You get this kind of message. Okay. So I'm doing this step by step. Okay, so that when I add once, I show what is the effect. Okay, then you may ask, or action, can we use a normal anchor? A normal anchor, HTML anchor. The answer is no, not can, because a normal anchor can open a page. But in MVC, you don't open a page, you execute a method. So that's why you need to use HTML helper. Okay, this is action link. Okay, any question on this? So I need you to understand the concept behind this. Okay, why is it important to have HTML helper? Okay, this one. Now, just now, we say that we have to create action. So now we need to create the RSVP form method. Okay, similarly, you can use view result, and you can use action result. So in this example, I use view result, but I'm going to use action result. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that we go to the controller. Okay, this is the controller, home controller. Now you see the index. So I'm going to actually create a new method. We have public. Okay, action. Action result. Okay, now the name of our method is RSVP form. RSVP form. And this is a method. So a method will always have a bracket. And we put in the result requires you to return something. You must have a return. So without a return, this is an error. So return is compulsory what? action result. So because this is not void. If void, you don't return anything. Now action result, you must return something. So in our case, we will return a view. We will return a view. So this is return view. What does it mean? It means that after you have executed this, what it will give back? It will give back a view. Okay, a view. So meaning that view is your interface. So meaning that after you execute this, you'll get an interface. Okay, so this is the view. Okay. Now, any question on this? Do you understand the concept of return view? It will return the view. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Here we have this method. It will return a view, but we need to create a view for this method. Remember, index, we have index.cshtml. Now for RSVP form, we need a view for this particular method. So similarly, you put the cursor anywhere within this particular method. Okay. Anywhere, right click. See on top there is add view. So we click this add view. By default, it will give a view name the same name as the method. So for this, we just accept the same name. Now the template is empty without model. Okay, empty without model. Okay, so okay, this is empty without model, but now this particular RSVP form is the form that we are going to have our input. The name, the phone number, the email, and whether you can come or you cannot come. So that this particular form will need to be linked to what? To our class just now. Okay, so here, this is empty without model. You select, there is empty. So when we click empty, you can click the model here. Okay, just now, okay, see, just now, okay, now the original one, initially this is empty without model. You can see that you cannot click anything here. But once you click empty, you can choose a model. So now model, okay, now forget about this root config. This is for other purposes. But we are talking about guest response. The model, the class, this is the name of the class. Okay? It's like this. Okay? Okay. The rest of this, just do not check anything. Click add. So it will actually do something. It will create a view that is linked to that particular model. Okay. Okay. You will get something like this. Look at the first line. There is add model. So this add model is a reserved word. Okay, model. Now here you will notice web application 1 dot models dot guest response. This is the name of the class. Okay, you will actually, if I actually go to the model itself, where is the model? This is the model. You notice web application 1 dot models dot guest response. So meaning that it is referring to this. Okay. So the way you write this, the logical way here is you have web application 1. So this is the namespace dot models, and then this is the class name. Okay, what if just now you forgot to select the empty, because from initially empty without model, and then you don't have this, you can type this manually. So this one is using a step by step, but if you forgot suddenly, oh, I forgot to change the selection, no worries, just type this manually. Okay, you will notice that the index just now, there's no model, right? Because this particular index is not tied to any class, so there's none. Okay.